You keep the world moving. You power cities, maintain infrastructure, build what's next. You need tools you can trust, tools that rise to your level. Since 1948, Elliott has built more than equipment. We've built a legacy. 75+ years of American-made innovation. And people who take pride in every detail. Today, our team is building what's next. Modern engineering, purpose-built manufacturing, driven by timeless craftsmanship, supporting essential work and utility, sign and lighting, rail, government, trusted by the industries that keep America running. Our name is on every piece of equipment because we stand behind every job. We are Elliott, driven by legacy, built for what's next.